So today I'm on the hunt for the cheapest beer in Old Town, Albufeira, and I'm going to bring you guys along with me. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. You know the vibe, let's see Wagwan.
Ils connaissent la clientèle quand même. Cannabis shop. Let's have a look, guys. Weed shop. Yeah.
Thank you.
Have a drink? Yes, ma'am.
You alright? No. Stretch straight. It's the best way. This one's only free, Sabrina. €3 in there if I can. Come on, keep going. That's free. That's 2 frees. Large beer, $3.50 yeah, until 6:30. There's a bigger establishment there. And banks open. So I think opening up today. What's he got it over there for? Is it 4?
Let's go up to Harry's anyway, so we've got to do...
Small beer too.
So we're looking at a large pint, aren't we? So most places in the square are selling beer for around €3. Not bad for the location. And you get to sit, people watch. It's got a really good energy here. You also get some acts, people singing. Lots going on in the centre of the square. If you've ever been, do comment below. It's also got a really nice energy in the evening. So do check out our other videos on Albufeira Nightlife Old Town. We also do the New Town.
You can see.
Why that bus wouldn't go there, someone's taking a spot today.
Yeah. En fait, tu les regardes plus, mais ça prend pas
€3. Come on in. Perfect. Yeah.
sample in the stage.
Little samples. Just 2 large beers.
So we have found Buddy's Bar for a little refreshment. €3 a pint. Can't complain. Absolutely perfect. As we was walking just around the corner, we found Kebab Albufeira, and they've got beers for just €2.50, cheapest we've seen yet. Absolutely amazing, and it's literally just around the corner. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Old Town Albufeira has all the vibes and value. Do a little walkabout, you'll find the deals. I'll catch you in the next one. Wagwan Tours out.